Okay, hello to the group. John Sturr here in Holiday, Utah. I wanted to do something a little bit different and show my pretty face. I know, right? So, got some stuff from Trout Magnet, and I wanted to do this quick unboxing, of which I've already prepped for, less delay of getting the knife out and yada yada. So, got some of the D2s. The Trout Magnet D2s came out this year. I got them in 1/8 and I think 1/4. So pretty excited to run these. Saw them on the YouTube. I've been following their feeds and gonna give these a try. Got that special D2 jig head design, which is kind of oblong and it allows it to flutter magically through the water. Got some bass colors and some trout colors. Who knows? Who knows what they like? And a different kind of trout color, which is similar to this. I don't know what this is called. Stand by. Let me try to read. It doesn't quite... This is brown. This is peaches, and this is brown. Finally, some normal names. And then this is black and purple. Okay, great. And then these are more peaches, and these are the smaller ones. I probably got a 10-year supply of these. I'm probably going to be, I'll be just fine. Picked up some more bobbers. Really like these bobbers. These bobbers are great. Nice and small. You can pack them away, and they work perfectly. And then I got some of the blacks for maybe some bass type stuff. And then I saw these, the Lock and Knock. So a new product this year where you string this on the line, it slides down the line and knocks your lure free if you get hung up. And with the price of lures these days, you don't want to mess around because those things are just crazy expensive. I mean, everything is $6, $7, $8, $10, $12, $15. So they partnered with the company that invented this, and now these are all lead. And it snaps right on, slides down, and it works its magic, hopefully. At least it's an option, right? So if you get a lure hung up, you have the option to try to use this instead of having to dive in the water, and which you're not ever going to do, blah, blah, blah. And then the biggest thing I got is the Trout SOS line. I am giving it a try. For one thing, it's supposed to perform very, very well, and it's fluorocarbon. Fluorocarbon, and this is 4-pound test. And this whole thing, let me see if they have a price sheet on here of what it costs. This is the craziest and most inexpensive fishing line on the market. I'm going full stop, bar none. Okay, maybe if you can buy some off of AliExpress or yada yada. But this is like 6,725 yards. This is another thing that's going to last me a lifetime. And I think it was $40. Yeah, 39 or 40. So I want to put this on the new 1000 series Abu Garcia Revo Beast SP spinning. And I just got one of those in the mail a few weeks ago. So, and I am kind of done with the fluoro. Not the fluoro, but the braid. The braid, you gotta have the leader, you gotta tie the extra knot. The braid wafts in the air and it floats. So if it's a little windy, you can't really cast it very well. The braid doesn't sink. Like I said before, it floats. And so that is a bit of a, I don't know, it's unusual to have to deal with that all the time. And I'm not sure I really like that. So I'm going to try the Trout SOS 4-pound. And with today's spinning rods, or today's rods in general, and I'll probably put this on the new Shimano level wind I'm getting, which is the same kind I had before. With today's rods and how good they are and how good this line is these days, I'm thinking 4 pounds is going to be just fine. So, we'll see. We'll see. The weather's going to break this next week. It's going to be high 50s here in Salt Lake, which is pretty unusual for beginning of February. I shouldn't say that. I mean, the high temperatures this time of year are in the 40s. I mean, low 40s, like 40, 41 degrees. So, but 58 maybe next week. So that should be good. So, Leland's Lures, home of the trout magnet. Took a while to get here because it was delayed in shipping, but that's the way the postal service is sometimes. All right, that's my update. Please like and subscribe. My other video on the tackle boxes and the Walmart tackle box is blowing up. Crazy, bizarre how nobody knows how successful this YouTube is going to be. If they say they know, they don't know. Unless they're Mr. Beast, that's only because they have a bazillion subscribers. But if someone says they know the secret sauce and the image and the clicking and whatever. All right, luck of the draw. Thanks so much. I appreciate all your support, all my subscribers, and everybody that this catches on to. It's awesome because everybody can have a voice. I'm going off on a tangent here, but the YouTube allows everyone to have a voice and to present their thoughts to the world. Sometimes those thoughts mesh with everybody and everybody likes it. Sometimes they don't. Yada, yada. Okay, cheers.